The terms pantry and dry storage are generally synonymous. The pantry is a designated place in the kitchen for dry goods, such as canned and unopened bottled food, grains, beans, flour, sugar, breads, shortenings, basically any foods not likely to promote bacterial growth in their natural state. All shelving or racks in the pantry must be elevated at least 6 inches off the floor, similar to the walk-in refrigerator. This elevation is non-negotiable to protect food from pests, insects, and rodents, and safeguard stored items in the event of a flood or water damage. Always make sure that pantry items are stored in the same direction as the product name and the item is facing outwards. Placing the food items in this way makes it easier to read and quickly grab an item if needed during the middle of a busy dinner or meal service. It is crucial to prioritize the visibility of expiration and best buy dates whenever possible. It would be best if you always had the earliest dates first and the latest dates last to ensure you are using products in the correct order. This is also known as FIFO, or first in, first out. We'll cover that in more detail shortly. Always inspect newly delivered food items for container damage or dents before storing them in the pantry. Some signs of faulty or damaged packaging can be swelling, missing labels, leakage, punctures, holes, fractures, deep rusting, or crushing so severe it will not stand up on its own. Reject any items that contain these faults. Lastly, never store cleaning products or insecticides in food storage areas. These items should never be used near food to prevent chemical contamination and should be stored separately from all foods when not in use.